Hi, I'm Vikas Kanade. I work for BladeLogic Portal as a senior QA engineer. In this video, we'll see how activity status page is used to check on the long-running actions or some other actions that we performed earlier. Currently, the activity status page shows the activities only for the import and the delete actions. We'll import a Collie scan file. If we click on the activity status page, it shows that the import of a scan file with AG1 RHL 5.xml scan file was successful on so and so date. If we click on the more information column, it gives us how many records were successfully imported and the auto imported server details. In the name column, if we click on the scan file name, it takes us back to the import page and shows the scan file filtered into the scan file table, where we get the more details of the imported scan file, like the scan ID, the type of scan file, the user who imported the scan file, and if we want, we can delete the scan file as well. We can go back to the activity status page by clicking on the back button. Now I have imported 3 Collie scan files and all the 3 import actions have been listed here. These are the details of these 3 scan files and how many records were imported. They are arranged by the latest actions what we have done. We'll delete few of the scan files now. I'll delete the scan file which we have imported at the very beginning. Click on the activity status page. So now the delete action has also been listed here. Now in the activity type column, we can filter the action which we want and it will list only that activity here. Similarly, we can also select the import scan and it will list only the import scan related activities. We can select both, it will list all. If we have done more actions and we want to filter with the name of the scan file, we can do that as well. It will list the matching activities done with the filters you have applied. We can also filter by the status, successful, in progress or failed. We'll import a bigger scan file now. We'll import a 50 MB scan file which takes some more minutes. We'll click on S. We'll click on the activity status page and we can see that this activity is in progress. So now here if we filter with the in progress, it will show us the activity which is in progress. The status of this activity doesn't get auto refreshed. We need to click on the refresh button here and the activity is no more in the in progress state. And when we unselect it, so it has moved to successful state as the import got completed. We can configure how long information is displayed into the activity status page. In the BMC config JSON, we have an activity service node where we can configure the time interval. We have activity monitor interval. It specifies how frequently the activity status page checks for the expired content. The content expires when it is older than the value of activity expiration time. By default, the value of the activity monitor interval is 24 hours in seconds. And the activity expiration time, it specifies the time period in seconds after which the information in the activity status page gets expired. By default, this value is 30 days. I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for more videos on BladeLogic Portal and its features. Thanks.